Sambonga and give me grace. All right, guys, here we go. In this round, the points have been tripled. Surveyed 100 people. Top 5 answers on the board. Everyone loves chicken, but which chicken dish is the most popular? Simbonye.
Chicken stew.
Chicken stew.
Biryani.
Biryani. They're gonna play.
Now play.
They're gonna play.
Let's play.
Anthony, everybody loves chicken.
Yes.
Here, there, everywhere. But what is the most popular chicken dish?
Steve, I'm gonna say it's soft. I'm gonna say it's soft and very clear. I would go with chicken wings.
Well, I'm going to say it very soft to you. Me personally, I don't know all the answers,
Yes.
but I don't see how chicken wings is a dish. It's just a piece of damn chicken. But if you want to say it softly, Anthony, I'm with you, because you are my favorite. Chicken wings! I didn't think that was up there. This is not a dish. El Marie, only 1 strike. We're still in good shape. Everybody loves chicken. What's the most popular chicken dish?
Chicken curry.
Okay, Jane, only 1 strike. Everybody loves chicken. What's the best chicken dish? What's the most popular chicken dish?
Grilled chicken.
Grilled chicken. Oh, grilled chicken.
Yeah.
Oh. Grilled chicken. All right, we got 2 strikes. Now listen to me, Bradley, we gotta be careful. The Mofo Gang family can steal. We got 2 strikes. Everybody loves chicken, but what's the most popular chicken dish, Bradley?
Chicken a la king, which is...
Chicken a la king. There's 1 answer left. Grace,
Yes, sir.
if it's there, you clear the board, your family gets the points,
Yes, sir.
your family wins the game, and we'll be playing for a shot at 75,000 rand. But you have 2 strikes, Grace. If it's not there, the Mofongeng family can steal, and they will win the game. Everyone loves chicken, but what chicken dish is the most popular?
Deep fried chicken.
This is for the win. I don't know nobody that don't like deep fried chicken. Well, y'all played well though, man. Y'all really did, man. But nobody walks out of here empty-handed. So we're gonna triple your points and you're gonna take away 4,200 rand. And a year's worth of KFC to the value of 10,000 rand. Well done, and I want to say thanks to all the folks at KFC for making this happen. Well, Bogos family, I need 2 of you to play Fast Money. Come on, let's go right there. I got Anthony, I got Bradley. We're gonna play Fast Money, Jackpot, 75,000 rand.